Hi everyone. Today I have my AIA Beauty Bundle, or the American Influencer Beauty Bundle, January 2022. I'm excited to get this one. It is all skincare from what I saw. Some spoilers. I'm just going to slit the tape here. Okay. And I'll give you a little bit of info about AIA. I have a little card for them so I don't forget the price. I know it is $34 a month and free U.S. shipping. So we pay $34 a month. There's no tax. There's no shipping. I love that. So this is was bi-monthly last year. Now it's a monthly box, and I think they've been killing it personally, in my opinion. This entire box is all one brand. So whether it's skincare, makeup, hair care, whatever genres they're going to include, I think that's nice because then you can try more from one brand to decide if you like the brand or not. So like that is a pro. You get, you know, a new brand each month. They do put out spoilers towards like the endish of the month for the following month. So you can always, you know, get a sneak peek as to what the brand is going to be. You get 5 to 6 full-size products. They do donate $1 from each sale of the box to their charity. And there really isn't a whole lot of info there. Let's just get started and pop this open. Be strong, be beautiful, be you on the inside of the box. And then this is, if I can pick this, is a heavy one. Pick this up here, give you a little peek. I'll pull the card so then you can get another little sneak peek there. So this looks like all skincare, and I love the foam because I reuse it. So this is Naturium. I've never heard of them. But I have my phone right in front of me with their website pulled up because I knew the brand that was going to be in here. So basically it looks like they are more natural, eco-friendly, all that kind of, you know, vegan, cruelty-free type of company, which is wonderful. Let's see, they partner with One Tree Planted so that a percentage of the proceeds go to, I guess, plant a tree so that everything is sustainable. So if they're using, you know, cardboard, it comes from a tree, or the pulp, you know, like all the shavings, so then they're planting a tree. I think that's great. So they're utilizing resources, but they're also adding back to the future resources. It says here, Naturium unlocks the full benefits of natural botanicals and powerful actives with innovative technology. They formulate highly effective patent skincare formulas that work. To do this, we believe skincare needs to be biocompatible. And then they partner with One Tree Planted, which I think is lovely. So this is their card. And you get pricing and a little bit of information. Not a ton, but that's okay. So we're just going to go right in with the first product. And this is Phyto Glow Lip Balm in Clear. $12 value. This is a nourishing lip balm. It has shea. What is that other? I don't know how to say that other butter. Plant squalene, which is phenomenal. Adds a glowy finish and long-lasting moisture. Okay, I'm excited to try this brand. Like I said, I've never heard of them. So that's what the interior packaging looks like. Let's see what the app. It's probably one of them like, oh, it's metal. Nice. I'm not going to touch that. Ooh, I like that. Let's get that in the back in the box if I can. Packaging is, yeah, I'm not playing with that packaging. So that's $12. Let's just go for this bigger bottle here. So this is niacinamide cleansing gel, 3%. Plus hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, and it is definitely a gel with a pump, as you can see right there. This is $18. This is an essence-like gel cleanser formulated with a clinical level of niacinamide. Gently dissolves makeup, oil, and other impurities while targeting the look of dark spots and uneven texture. This cleanser leaves the skin feeling softer, smoother, and more balanced. Can be used on dry or damp skin. So that's good to know that you don't have to like wet your skin first. Okay, and that's what that looks like. Nice. Happy to have try another cleanser. $18 value. That's not too bad. This is a multi-peptide moisturizer. $19 value. Let's open this up. Tube. Oh, nice. That's what the packaging looks like. Let's see. Oh, it's a pump. Okay. That's nice, because then you're not wasting, it seems like. $19 value. Nutrient-dense moisturizer is formulated with our multi-peptide blend, encapsulated ethylated vitamin C and panthenol to target the look of fine lines and wrinkles. I'm never going to say no to that. And then this is niacinamide serum plus zinc. Try to find that on here. What do you look like here? Plus zinc, $16. Our concentrated serum is formulated with pure 12% niacinamide and 2% zinc PCA that helps improve uneven skin tone and visually minimizes the look of pores, skin texture, and fine lines. Okay, seems like a nice brand. Lots of good products. Let's see the packaging. Oh, nice. That's not chintzy packaging. Like, they didn't cheap out, and like a lot of good pumps, so you're not having to touch it. I love these people that say, you know, oh, the germs, the germs, the germs, and then they stick their finger in their pot of moisturizers and serums. No, if you're that concerned about germs, your hands and your nails are the dirtiest thing. I don't care if you've just washed them. You are going to touch something that's going to transfer. Use a scooper. Don't put your hands in stuff. I like that. I question, are you really like a germaphobe if you're putting your finger in all kinds of stuff and putting your finger in your mouth? And like, I don't get it. I really don't. But I digress. Next item is vitamin C complex serum, $20. It's a vitamin C complex of highly stabilized, I guess that's one ascorbic, or is that ascorbic acid? I'm not sure. Sodium ascorbyl phosphate and bioactive fruit blend that helps brighten and shield skin from environmental stressors for a more youthful look. Like, I'm loving all their packaging and bottles, and I'm loving like the pumps or the applicators. This is what this looks like, and another pump. See, I love that. I just think it's hygienic, and I'd much prefer that. And then the last product, but not, you know, last but not least, is a BHA liquid exfoliant, 2% right here. Let me find this. $18 value. Our leave-on exfoliant is formulated with efficacious level of encapsulated salicylic acid and bioactive fruit acids that unclog pores, even skin tone, and smooth fine lines and wrinkles for a healthier, what does that say, more radiant looking complexion. Let's see what you look like. Oh, nice. So it is a liquid, and let's see what we look like. And that is, I would assume, sealed. So let's double check. This probably has a seal on it. Yes. So that's nice. I would assume a lot of these are like fragrance free and all that stuff. I would have to read. All their packaging is recyclable. Let me see. Made in the USA, cruelty-free, paraben-free, vegan, gluten-free, fragrance-free, dermatologist tested. I do believe they're all fragrance-free, which I cannot tell you how much I appreciate that. Sometimes, whoa, it's just too strong of a scent, and personally, I just don't find it necessary. Let's just make sure they're all fragrance-free, fragrance-free. Now, this might not be. You know, this is also, every single product is fragrance-free. I love that, love that, love that. It's the last thing I need is, especially if they're competing scents. So that's everything in my beauty bundle. Happy to have it. We had a couple makeup boxes in a row, so it is nice to get a skincare. And I love this as a brand that I have not tried and honestly have not heard of. So I appreciate that they're bringing brands that might not be like super popular, that everybody's heard of them, so that we can give them all a try. I mean, there's a wide range of products here that you can decide if you like this brand or not. I don't think their prices are all that horrible. Very affordable, $18, $20, $12, $16, $19, $18. Nothing that's like $60, $100 that you can't afford to repurchase if you love something and you use it and run out. Very affordable to spend $20 or under to replace any of these products. And I don't know what other products they have on their website. I would have to take a look. But like I said, happy to try all this. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this box. Do you get AIA Beauty each month? Were you excited to get this? I kind of was when I saw it with skincare, because we haven't had skincare from them in a little bit. I hope they now go back to some more makeup for a while, and then sprinkle in like a hair care or skincare. I would love for them to do like a whole nail box, whether it's, you know, all polishes from one of the, you know, popular brands, or even if it's, you know, gel, or, but the gel would be kind of hard because you need the UV, you know, lamp to cure, but polish, or there's so many things that they could do in this box. So hopefully in 2022, we see some interesting boxes. So this is Naturium. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.